Interactive Brokers Financial Tool Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to the product are in the description. Interactive Brokers (IBKR) offers one of the most advanced financial tools available, designed for professional traders, active investors, and institutions looking for powerful trading capabilities, global market access, and low-cost execution. The platform provides real-time portfolio tracking, deep market research, risk management tools, and integration with IBKR's brokerage services, supporting stocks, ETFs, options, futures, forex, bonds, and more across 150-plus markets worldwide. This tool is ideal for experienced traders and professionals who need advanced order types, algorithmic trading, and access to margin lending at some of the lowest rates in the industry. IBKR's Trader Workstation (TWS) is a standout feature, offering professional-grade charting, technical indicators, and customizable trading strategies. The platform also provides access to IBKR Global Trader, a mobile app for international trading, and IBKR Smart Routing, which ensures the best possible trade execution. For long-term investors, Interactive Brokers offers IBKR Lite, a commission-free trading option on US stocks and ETFs, as well as portfolio management tools like Portfolio Analyst for detailed performance tracking and risk analysis. Strengths include industry-leading trade execution, low margin rates, access to global markets, and a suite of professional research tools. Interactive Brokers also offers strong security features, including two-factor authentication and data encryption, ensuring high levels of account protection. Additionally, IBKR's fractional share investing and commission-free US stock trades make it more accessible to smaller investors. Weaknesses include a complex interface that can be overwhelming for beginners. Trader Workstation, while powerful, has a steep learning curve and may not be ideal for casual investors. Customer service can also be slower compared to competitors, especially during high-volume trading periods. Additionally, while IBKR offers commission-free trading on some assets, fees may apply for international trades and certain advanced features. Overall, Interactive Brokers is a top-tier choice for experienced traders and investors who need advanced trading tools, global market access, and low-cost execution. If you are an active trader or need institutional-level trading capabilities, IBKR is one of the best platforms available. However, if you prefer a simple, beginner-friendly platform, other brokers may be a better fit. Check the links in the description to explore Interactive Brokers and see how it fits your investment strategy.